So let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is right now sitting at 2290, and it's after a long time we are seeing Ethereum finally dropping. And I say long time because it made an attempt towards the $3,000. Of course, it failed, and now it is sitting here. And this is after a very long time of sideways movement. And then finally, it went down. Now, we have discussed Ethereum previously as well. Last time we talked about Ethereum. Let me search. Meanwhile, in the comments, can you let me know that if you're bullish on Ethereum or not? If you are, what's the reason for it? And what do you think is going to be the peak this year, 2025? Last time we talked about this thing on 17th of June. We talked about this structure of sideways movement, how it is stuck by going inside this range again and again with a bit of a fake out and finally losing this area and then going down. Of course, that has happened. We had shared a support area at 2200. As you can see, it says 2206, but I mean, fuck that part. And below 2200, we have another support at 2000, and below that, we can start talking about other areas as well. I mean, visually, you can see it. I'll show it to you so you don't think I'm lying to you. I mean, that's a psychological support area anyway. But today, finally, it went down. It got to hit our area of target almost. It went towards 2200. It showed a reaction, and right now, as you can see, it is sitting at 2219. So today's drop was towards 2216. It missed our target by $16. I mean, if you want to get a bit nitty-gritty about it, it was 2206, so it missed it by $10. But I mean, it did go down all the way there. That's what matters. Right now, the support is holding. As long as 2200 holds, we can still expect it to shoot up towards 2500, which is an area that is important. It's a psychological number as well. Conquering that would indicate, okay, finally we can start playing the ping pong of 2500 to 2800. But if somehow it is not able to go towards 2500, close 2 daily candles above it, then the only thing that you can expect from Ethereum is to start the downward journey. Now with Ethereum, if you remember yesterday, of course I didn't cover it yesterday, but I mean, you have your own eyes. We had our first candle closing below it. This was your first candle closing below 2500. Today was the second. So we have already received 2 daily confirmations of closing below 2500. Now if it goes back up towards 2500, we need again 2 daily closings above 2500. Jumping back wouldn't be considered as a journey back up. It will be considered as a fake out. Until and unless it stabilizes 2500 for 2 days, then we can say, okay, it is done with the downward journey. Now it can go up. But if it just goes and shoots towards 2500, doesn't close, we would still expect it to shoot back towards 2200 and eventually towards $2,000. Why? Because all the moves up, they are just fake outs. They are to trap people, to make them think that, okay, now it's going to go further up, while in reality, everyone is selling off because they think Ethereum is again going to dump because it has already shown it can go towards 1400. And I think the gap between 1400 and $800, which was the lowest we have seen on Ethereum from 2021's top to $800, I think that was not that big. It was only $600 away. So anyway, this is Ethereum for you. As long as it doesn't go conquer the area of 2500, I would expect it to stay down and eventually break 2200 and go towards 2000. If it goes and conquers 2500, I'll start getting bullish on it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.